Hi student, today we are discussing the a remaining part of the a structure of a typical flower. So student, we are studying the essential floral whole, androsia. Essential is the floral wholes which are directly involved in the sexual reproduction are called as the essential floral whole. So second essential, that is the a gynoecium. Gynoecium or carpel. So gynoecium is the a fourth. It is the fourth and second essential floral whole. Okay, androecium is the third, and gynoecium is the a fourth and the second essential floral whole. Then gynoecium is the a female reproductive unit. It is a female reproductive unit. Okay, androecium is the male, gynoecium is the female reproductive structure or a unit. Then the individual member or the smallest unit of the gynoecium is called as the carpel. Okay, carpels are the a smallest or a individual member of a gynoecium. Then carpels may be free or it may be fusible or a united. When the gynoecium is the free carpels called or a fused carpel in a some plant free from each other or in some plant they are fused with each other. Then gynoecium with the free carpels called apocarpus gynoecium. Here student, apo is the a free and carpus is the carpels. When gynoecium is the a free carpels called the apocarpus gynoecium, and gynoecium is the fused or a united carpels called the syncarpus gynoecium. Here syn is the fused or a united called the syncarpus gynoecium. Then in a some plant gynoecium with one carpel, gynoecium with one carpel called monocarpellary gynoecium. Monocarpellary gynoecium. Here mono means the one. A gynoecium having the only one carpel called the monocarpellary gynoecium. Then gynoecium with the two carpel called bicarpellary gynoecium. Then three carpels called the tricarpellary gynoecium. Then four carpels called the tetracarpellary gynoecium. Five carpels called the a pentacarpellary gynoecium, and more than five that is called as the polycarpellary gynoecium. स्टूडेंट ध्यान में रखो कि गाइनोशियम विथ वन कार्पेल, अगर गाइनोशियम के अंदर एक ही कार्पेल है तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे आप? मोनोकार्पिलरी गाइनोशियम. अगर दो कार्पेल्स है बाइकार्पिलरी, अगर थ्री कार्पेल्स है ट्राइकार्पिलरी, फोर कार्पेल्स tetracarpellary, then five carpels, pentacarpellary, and a gynoecium with the a more than five carpel called the polycarpellary gynoecium. Okay, then a structure of a single carpel. So student, this is the a diagram of the single carpel. The single carpel consists of a mainly three parts, like a basal, a fertile solar part that is called as the ovary. Okay, and inside the ovary a parenchymatous, a nutritive tissue. This is the a parenchymatous nutritive tissue that is called as the placenta. And to the placenta, the ovules are attached on the either side. Means the ovules are attached on the either side of a placenta. Means the basal, a solar fertile part of the carpel called the ovary. Then at the center of a ovary, a nutritive parenchymatous tissue that is called as the placenta, and the ovules are attached to the a placenta. Student, and after fertilization, the ovary is converted into fruit, and inside the ovules are converted into seeds. Means the after डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन, ये फर्टिलाइजेशन होने के बाद ovary is converted into fruit, and inside the ovules are converted into the seeds. Then a middle elongated, a tube-like or a tubular hollow part that is called as the style. Okay, middle one is the a pipe-like structure, a hollow that is called as the style, and within the style a canal is present that is called as the stylar canal. And what are the functions of the stylar canal? It provides the passage for the entry of a pollen tube during the process of fertilization. फर्टिलायझेशन मध्ये हे पॅसेज देतो पोलन ट्यूबला एंट्री करण्यासाठी. ओके, then at the apex or a tip, a bag like structure, a sac like structure that is called as the stigma, and stigma receives the a pollen grains during the process of pollination. स्टिग्मा का फंक्शन क्या है? It receives the a pollen grains during the process of pollination, और पॉलिनेशन होने के बाद ये पोलन ग्रेन का जर्मिनेशन होता, और ये देखो ऐसा ये ट्यूब, इसको हम बोलेंगे पोलन ट्यूब. क्या है? पोलन ट्यूब. एंड दिस पोलन ट्यूब एंटर्स थ्रू द स्टाइल. ओके, elongation of a pollen tube toward the ovule. Within the ovule there is a presence of the female gamete, and within the pollen tube there is a male gamete. Then process of fertilization takes place within the ovule. Okay, this part is our study within the 12th standard. Okay, अगले साल में ये पढ़ाई. तो यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखना है कि कार्पेल produces the ovules, and within the ovule there is a presence of the egg or female gamete. Then after double fertilization, ovary is converted into fruit, and inside the ovules are converted into seeds. So this is the a structure of gynoecium. Gynoecium is the fourth and the second essential ole. Then it is the female. Why it is called as the female? Because it produces the female gamete. Then individual member carpel, it may be pre called the apocarpus, it may be fusra, syncarpus. Gynoecium with one carpel called monocarpellary, bicarpellary, tri, tetra, penta, and more than 5 called the polycarpellary gynoecium. And this is the single carpel, means the ovary, style and stigma. 3 parts है, ovary, style and stigma. तो basal fertile part that is called as the ovary, and inside the ovary ovules are there, and inside the ovule there is a presence of the egg or the female gamete. Okay, then what are the functions of the stigma? It receives the pollen grain during the process of pollination. So this is the a structure of gynoecium. Then student, we are studying the next part, that is the a complete flower. Complete flower. Okay, you know about flower, then complete. So complete flower is the a flower in which the presence of calyx, corolla, androecium and the gynoecium, that flowers are called as the complete flower. complete flower कौन से फ्लावर को बोलेंगे आपको? तो जिसमें कैलिक्स है, करोला है, एंड्रोसियम है और गाइनोशियम है. मीन्स द a flower in which the presence of all the four floral whorls, that is the calyx, corolla, androecium and the gynoecium, that flowers are called as the complete flower. Then second, incomplete flower. Incomplete flower. So incomplete flower is the a flower in which the one or two floral whorls are absent. Okay, one or two floral whorls are absent are called as the incomplete flower. जैसे complete के अंदर कैलिक्स है, करोला है, एंडोसियम है, गाइनोशियम. तो incomplete flower is the if the one or two floral whorls are absent, that is called as the incomplete flower. Then third, perfect. Perfect flower. Perfect flower or a hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite or a bisexual. और ए बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर. देखो, तो परफेक्ट फ्लावर इज द और ए hermaphrodite. Perfect flower is also known as the hermaphrodite or it is also known as the bisexual. Here student, bi means two and sexual if the flower with the presence of androecium and gynoecium are present are called as the perfect hermaphrodite or a bisexual flower. If the flower with the presence of a both the essential floral whorl like a androecium and gynoecium, ज्या फ्लावर मध्ये एंड्रोसियम भी आहे, गायनोशियम भी आहे, त्या फ्लावरला म्हणायचं बायसेक्सुअल फ्लावर or it is also known as the hermaphrodite or a perfect. Then imperfect or monopodite or unisexual flower. तो imperfect, monopodite or a unisexual means the either presence of a androecium or a gynoecium. If the flower with the presence of only either androecium or a gynoecium, that flowers are called as the imperfect or a monopodite or a unisexual flower. Means a flower with the presence of only androecium, that flowers are called as a male flower. And if the flower with the presence of only gynoecium, that is called as the female flower, or it is also known as the imperfect, monopodite or a unisexual. Okay. Then परफेक्ट में ध्यान में रखो एंड्रोसियम गाइनोशियम है. इम्परफेक्ट में ध्यान में रखो अगर एंड्रोसियम है तो गाइनोशियम है, अगर गाइनोशियम है तो एंड्रोसियम है. ओके. देन न्यूटर फ्लावर. न्यूटर फ्लावर means the flower in which the a reproductive floral whorls are absent. Means there is a absence of the androecium and gynoecium, that flowers are called as the a neuter flower. So neuter flower means the when the gynoecium or androecium are totally absent, without androecium and without gynoecium are called as the neuter flower. Then monoecious plant. So student, monoecious plant is the a plant with the presence of a male and female plants or a structure are present within the a same plant body are called as the monoecious plant. Then second one, dioecious plant means the male separate and female separate. Okay, one plant is male and another plant is female. Means the male, when the a plant with the a male plant is separate and female plant is separate, that plants are considered as a dioecious plant. Then male and female are combined together, that is called as the monoecious plant. Okay, तो स्टूडेंट हियर कंप्लीट फ्लावर, कैलिक्स है, करोला है, एंड्रोसियम है, गाइनोसियम है, दैट फ्लावर को हम बोलेंगे कंप्लीट फ्लावर. इनकम्प्लीट, वन और टू फ्लोरल लोब्स आर एब्सेंट, फॉर एग्जांपल कैलिक्स है, करोला है, एंड्रोसियम है, गाइनोसियम. ओके, तो इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? इनकम्प्लीट फ्लावर. देन परफेक्ट, हर्माफ्रोडाइट और बायसेक्सुअल दोनों है. इसेंशियल में एंड्रोसियम भी है, गाइनोसियम भी है, उसको बोलेंगे परफेक्ट और बायसेक्सुअल. इम्परफेक्ट, आइदर एंड्रोसियम और गाइनोसियम, म्हणजे मेल सेपरेट है, फीमेल सेपरेट है. न्यूटर दोनों नहीं, ए भी नहीं और जी भी नहीं. ओके, और मोनोसियस मेल फीमेल कंबाइंड, एंड डायोसियस मेल है एक प्लांट के ऊपर और फीमेल अलग. ओके, थैंक्स स्टूडेंट.